Hi, welcome to Egret Tours Marina, where the minutemen have turned this place into a boat repair yard. Here we have a little resting place for the security when they're not on duty.
Hey, General.
I've turned this place into like a little cafe cum bar, where they can rest, get some food, even a drink.
Giving me a lot to think about. Huh?
Humanity is so resilient to cling to life despite all of this. It is the duty of us all to further that survival.
This is like a little office area where they can take inventory and do what needs to be done. And this is like one of the bedrooms in the main building. A nice little window seat to chill out in. And this is like a balcony with a bell on. If the bell rings, everybody comes to the courtyard for a meeting or announcement.
General.
And I've made this sort of like a refilling station for the boats. Got, yeah, a tank here with fuel.
Hello,
There's a
man.
man here working the pumps. And this is where he lives, in this little hut here.
Yeah?
Here we have a crane that can lift cargo or even parts or whatever's needed onto the boats. This is what powers it.
Yes?
And this is like the big workshop where the boats can come in and moor and get repairs, build parts for them, put parts on. All the big stuff happens here.
Yeah?
And here we have another little settler's home.
I wonder if there are any meteorologists about. I hope it does not rain.
And this is the second workshop for like the smaller stuff. Building parts, doing repairs on little objects, little bits and bobs. And also to store parts that's needed for the boat. And that's my tour over, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave you with a few night shots.
Did the machine just say degenerate, General? Huh?
Hey, General.
My luck's gonna turn around.
Ah! I win again.